Hey everyone, welcome back to Seaport Mike's Automotive. Welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't, and please share my videos if you haven't. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, what kind of job is this? It's an engine removal on a 2005 Hyundai Elantra. Customer headed to different shops, and he called me off of Craigslist. I got a post on Craigslist that I'm a mobile mechanic. So he called me, saying he got jit, and he got scammed like a few times. So he had in Effingham, Georgia. He said the car was sitting for weeks and weeks. So he gave me a call. Now I'm here, I'm pulling this engine out. So as you can see, I'm breaking it down so far. I have I soaked these with PB Blast. As you can see, they coming out very easily. Remove the transmission cooling lines, come from the radiator. As you can see over here, I got the whole radiator, the whole unit out. Power steering bolts, it was 14 mils. They hold on each side. They one here and one there. Pull it straight up, get the belt off, and then move it on the side. And like they said, a lot of people don't like, messing with the Hyundai connections, but it's fairly easy. I'm about to show y'all what you can do to get these harnesses off easily. Really, you can't pinch these with your hand and pull out. You're gonna have to get like some pliers like this, some long near nose pliers. And what you want to do, you want to pinch it till you hear a click, then pull straight up, and it'll come off. It'll come loose very easily. And for these connections, a lot of people have trouble getting off. You can see this retainer clip, this little pin. Push that in just like that and pull straight out, and that connection will come out without breaking it. A lot of people breaking these connections on these Hyundais. So as you can see around here, I got all the harnesses off the carburetor. I got not the carburetor, I meant the throttle body, excuse me. I got that off, and I got the heater hoses off, as you can see. And I have the the upper heater hose off as well. Everything coming along pretty easily, pretty good. The box out of the way, the people who had it, they just removed something simple a girl can do. They removed the box and the wires, the spark plug of wires. But as you can see, I'm about at it. Motor mounts right here, one in the front, one right here, and one in the back. This whole engine coming out to me as a whole assembly. This whole powertrain, some people call it powertrain, some people call it motor and / transmission. So this whole thing coming with me on a 2005 Hyundai Elantra. So hey, I'm gonna have a second video to this, tips and tricks to show y'all how to pull this engine yourself. So stay tuned and see me on the next. All right, bye.